I just came across this idea this morning. I thought I was going to make a video on something else, but I really want to share with you why you really need to start a YouTube channel or just videotape yourself when you're over 50 and what the purpose is. I'm Ryan. I make things in my garage, and I like helping people out, so I'm here if you ever need me. So I really believe that the way that you find joy is not what the world is telling you. The way that you find true happiness is by exploring different things. You were not given a manual when you were a little baby. You were not told. You were conditioned by your parents or whatever the society, whatever school, whatever it is. But inside of your unique mind, you are so unbelievably unique, and you have different needs than other people. And if you're watching this video and you're completely content with playing games or doing everything else you want or exercising, or you already have a hobby, this video is maybe not for you. But this video is something, if you clicked on it and you had that notion that, hey, I'm thinking about starting a YouTube channel. I want to be able to establish a brand. I want my own clothing line, my own hats, I want my own products. I want to break away from my job. If you want any of that, I want to share with you that the value in creating a YouTube channel, even if you make every single video private, is the fact that by seeing yourself, listening to yourself, you will see what your genuine purpose is. If you are contrived and you're talking about a topic where you're not into it, but you said, okay, well, I've been told, all my family's giving me a response that welding is the thing that I want to do, or fixing bikes or anything else. But when I talk about fixing bikes and I look at myself about talking about, I don't appear to be myself. But when you talk about the things that you're truly passionate about, changing lives or making something that makes a difference, or being the hero at a tailgate party, or not even caring, or just making something to hold your joystick for your game, or something make your car better, or whatever else it is, or maybe you just want to help out people with finances. If you have an interest in becoming a better you need to see a reflection of yourself. You need to put yourself on camera, and you need to see what you want to do. If you want to make a documentary someday about something, you need to become better at making documentaries. So if you start talking about documentaries, you may say, I don't know about documentaries. And so then you can move forward in the direction you can. So it's not about YouTube. It's not about Facebook or Instagram it's not even about video. It's about looking in the mirror and saying, I want to be a better me. I want to go and grow. I want to be more aligned with what I was intended to do. And no one's told me I don't have a handbook on myself. And the way that you get a handbook in is possibly YouTube. And when I say YouTube, I don't mean the brand YouTube. I mean putting yourself out on video. Make every video private. You don't have to have people look at them. You can turn off comments. I can show you how to do that, or you can just Google it. You don't have to. But what I really want you to do is get a reflection of what you want. So my favorite thing, and where I'm moving my channel, is because I'm a maker, an inventor, an engineer. I make things in my garage, some things to help other people, some things just for fun or just to be silly. And the reason why I want making this video in this morning is it hit me that the thing that I really love is organizing this shop, organizing this place, talking about it. I like the electronics and the tools and the spray paint and the everything about it. I truly have a passion for making things. And I want you to hear about your passion. I want you to find your passion. And every bone in my body can't wait to hear what you do next. Anyways, I'm Ryan. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Peace out. Cannot wait for you to hear this upcoming series of basically the maker's life. And I'm so excited because I've been a little lost, and I got a direction now. Thanks.